Hello friends, this is Neha here from Pearl Buds. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are kickstarting a new series known as Quiet Time Activities. So what is this all about? Have you faced a really mommy guilt issue where you have to attend an important call or have to prep up for dinner or lunch and all your child wants is to play with you or your attention? And you wish that instead of just switching on the TV or the laptop or handing over your phone to him, you can just productively engage him in some kind of activity, then quiet time activities are the answer for you. These activities are very famous for independent play work or calm down time for a child. This way you can engage the child productively for a short amount of time in some kind of logical reasoning activity, fine motor skill based activity, or any other skill that you want the child to practice. These activities are generally quick fixes which can be just prepped up in minutes with things right in your household. I also believe a lot in frugal living and organization, and hence the activities that I will be showing and sharing with you are all on a budget and at the same time which can be prepped in very less time. So let's start today's activity. Today's activity utilizes a very fun element which I'm sure is going to be in your lovely vanity cabinet or in your dressing drawer, and that's nothing but a ton of elastics. So all you need are these zillion elastics and a printable, which I will be including in the description. So like I mentioned, all that you will need is a ton of elastics and this particular printout. So you have one for the right hand and one for the left hand respectively. So all you need to do is, if you feel that your child will get distracted, you can cut it out into single bits and make sure that your child is just using one at a time, okay? Or you can just give it as a strip form. So for the first one, it's a very simple one. Your child first needs the band. So this becomes your color recognition, where your child is first going to extract the colors of the bands that is required. For this one, it is going to be yellow, one of blue, one of green, a pink and a white. And next the child will have to use the fingers and the appropriate finger for that particular color. So on the thumb, the child will need to put the yellow one, and then you have the blue. So this is again a very nice fine motor skill activity, because the child has to simultaneously stretch the elastic and then put it on the respected fingers. So once the child, and then you have the last one. So this is your complete activity, okay? So now if you see the next one, the blue one comes on the thumb. I have a pink on the middle finger, and above the pink I have a orange, and then I have a white on the last finger, this one. So one-to-one correspondence in terms of the picture, visual tracking, that which finger needs to have which elastic, color recognition in terms of the elastic colors, and most importantly fine motor skills, because the child will actually have to stretch the elastic and put it on the finger. And it looks like a very easy job, but really it is very difficult for some of the children. So this is like the beginning theory, and then you can increase the complexity in this way, where you have 1 on 2. You can even stretch it on multiple fingers like this. So I will be including the printable. So this is a very nice activity for atypical as well as typical children. Neurotypical children, this is a very fun quiet time activity, and for children with developmental delay or children who are facing some problem with logical reasoning or with fine motor skills, I feel this is an extremely nice activity. all you will have to spend, I got so many elastics for just €1. So you can get it at a €1 store or a dollar spot, or if you are in India, you can get it at your local stationery jeweler your elastic shops for hardly 30 rupees or 50 rupees. You get a ton of elastics. So all you need to invest is the elastics. If you like this activity, stay tuned for more such quiet time activities and the new series. Happy learning. Bye bye.